Hello everyone, dear children. In this video, today we will learn about vegetative propagation and agriculture. So let us start with vegetative propagation. It means producing new plants from plant parts other than seeds. Plants such as potato and ginger grow from underground stems. Potato has buds called eyes. Each bud or eyes is capable of growing into a new plant. Plants such as carrot, sweet potato, and turnip can grow into new plants from their roots. Some plants grow from leaves. The leaves of certain plants, such as those of Bryophyllum, produce buds on their margins. These buds grow into new plants when the leaves are placed in the moist soil. Some plants can be produced by artificial vegetative propagation. For example, rose and sugarcane can be grown by stem cutting. We depend a lot on plants, so we grow more of them. Now let us see about agriculture. What do you mean by agriculture? The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. Any plant that is grown in a large quantity to get food and other useful things is called crop. These crops are mainly of three types. First one is food crops. For example, wheat, maize, etc. Second type is oil producing crops. For example, sunflower, mustard, etc. And third type is fiber crops. For example, cotton and jute. Now let us see methods of farming. There is first point, tilling the soil, or it is also called plugging the soil. The loose soil allows air and water to pass through. Plugging helps the roots of crops to penetrate easily into the soil. Then after applying fertilizers. Dear students, fertilizers means a chemical added to the soil to improve its fertility. Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to add nutrients that crops would need to give a good quality. Fertilizers get easily mixed in a tilled soil. Now next point is sowing seeds. Seeds must be sown at the proper time and at proper distance. Then after irrigation, water is very important for the growth of plants. Irrigation is the process by which a sufficient quantity of water is supplied to the crop plants. The next stage is crop protection, means how to protect the crops. When the seeds germinate and seedlings come out, it is necessary to protect them from pests. Pest means an organism which destroys crops or spread diseases. And weeds. Weeding is done by pulling the weeds out with the hand or a trowel, a hoe or a harrow. Chemicals are also used for destroying weeds and insects. Here, weeds means wild plants. Then the next point is harvesting. The process of cutting and collecting The mature crop is called harvesting. When the crops are mature, they are harvested. And at the last, storage. Once the crop is harvested, it must be stored properly to prevent development of fungus and damage by pests like rats, moles or birds. And neem is a good natural substance to keep insects and pests under control. I hope you understood these contents. Thank you.